Stay on with us, Sambhav. We have some more breaking news coming in at this hour. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor on Wednesday made an emotional appeal to activist Sonam Wangchuk to end his indefinite fast, saying that the protest had already awakened the consciousness of the nation and that the fight for students' issues should now move to the parliament. In an open letter addressed to the Jantar Mantar protesters, Tharoor's strongest appeal was directed at Wangchuk. I'm quoting here to Shri Sonam Wangchuk ji, my heartfelt appeal. Please end your fast. You have awakened the conscience of the nation. India needs your voice for the long road ahead. This is what Shashi Tharoor has in fact written. In fact, let's take a look at this letter. We'll bring you that social media post that has been put out by Shashi Tharoor and we'll get that out for you. You can see that on your screens right now. He said that this is an open letter to the Jantar Mantar protesters, and remember that there are three major points that he has mentioned in this very long post that he has put out. Firstly is his heartfelt appeal to Shri Sonam Wangchuk ji. He has said that please end your fast, we need you for the long run. So this is an heartfelt appeal. You have already awakened the conscience of the nation, you can now end it. And he's also said that we will now take this forward because the parliament is in session from Monday. So we will have an opportunity to raise the students' issues in the highest forum of our democracy. So he's saying that they will take this fight forward. This is where the problem should be addressed, not by fasting unto death. He has also said, please do heed to my plea. So this is the second most important point that he is saying. Firstly, he is appealing to Sonam Wangchuk. Next, he is asking him and saying that we will take this fight forward to the parliament where this should be addressed. And he is also now stated to the government. His third and final most important point that he has written is to the government. He is saying that I respectfully urge you to reach out and to engage in dialogue. Our democracy owes its young citizens, and what he stated, the last line obviously makes a lot of impact because he said that is not weakness, that is statesmanship. So he is asking the government to come to negotiate, to have a dialogue with the protesters over there, because this is not a portrayal of your weakness, this is statesmanship as per Shashi Tharoor. And in this long letter, he has in fact tried to tell the youngsters that he does hear the pain of the youngsters of the country. He said that he is someone who is deeply troubled by what is happening right now, and he says that this is very personal for him because he was also born to a middle class family. There was only one salary that carried 3 children's dreams, and he said that he has worked a lot to get to where he is. He got a scholarship, but he said that nothing was ever inherited for him, and what's most important was exams. And he said that yes, he does hear the voice of the youngsters who are saying that yes, they need a change and that's why they are protesting, and he said that yes, they've heard the pleas. Let me now go across to some more stories coming our way.